Is your roof struggling against time and elements? This property owner faced severe leaks and damage with layers of asphalt shingles that seemed impossible to fix. The roof was in bad shape, with 3 layers of old asphalt shingles and failing rolled roofing on the sides. It seemed like the only option was an expensive tear-off, but then they found a better solution. The application of GEI's protective green coatings provide a cost-effective solution for the property owner, restoring the roof without the need for removal and replacement. Encasement solution reinforced the surface, making the roof wind and water resistant, protecting you and your property safe. According to the owner, he's worried they have to tear off the whole roof, but GEI's green encasement saved his property.
Hell, at first I was very skeptical about what the process was. But then as I watched how you guys did it, I was just like, wow. And the more coat that went on, the more solid and consistency and structure was just, I was amazed. I was like, oh my God, I'm not going to have to worry about it for the next 20 years.
This eco-friendly encasement solution not only stops leaks and winds on penetrating in the surface, but also reflects sunlight, saving energy and extending the roof's life for a 20 years guarantee life cycle. With its green features, 0 VOC, non-toxic, water-based and Class A fire rated. This green coatings offers long-lasting protection that's better for your buildings, properties, and the environment. Ready to protect your roof and reduce your environmental footprint? Visit www.encasement.com to explore how global encasement green coatings can save your roof without tear-offs or waste, saving you, your buildings, and properties from any damage.